DXP Supply Chain Services, also known as SCS, specialize in maintaining your maintenance, repair, and operating products and procedures, keeping them stocked and running at optimal levels, allowing our customers to focus on their core competencies. Our specialized programs digitize the customer supply chain, therefore improving efficiency, increasing uptime, and reducing costs. DXP's SmartCrib technology provides solutions for remote or unmanned storeroom management. This technology provides a self-service solution with integrated badge access, checkout scanning of materials, and security cameras. SmartCrib provides a solution to monitor your storeroom remotely, wherever you are. This allows plants to continue daily operations, providing security and accuracy from a distance. DXP Supply Chain Services provide operational excellence through customer-driven and specialized on-site maintenance, repair, and operating programs to improve efficiency, increase uptime, and reduce costs. Learn more about DXP's SmartCrib services at www.dxpe.com/supply chain services.